Hi and welcome to my latest video. So I'm using w3schools.com and just going through the exercises. So add a tooltip to the paragraph below with the text about 3schools. So the tooltip is title, submit answer, submit answer. Correct, right. Next exercise. Set the size of the image to 250 pixels wide and 400 pixels tall. So image src equals w3schools.jpg. Width is 250 and height is 400. Make the element below into a link that goes www.ahref. See the href? No, it's not. Oh, okay. It is href, but I missed out the equals. It just shows you. So it's a lesson sign at href. So hyperreference equals http w3schools.com, and then label it this is a link. So you'll click on this is a link basically. So specify an alternate text for image. Alternate text is useful when the image cannot be displayed, like when the page is read by a screen reader. Alt, I couldn't remember there on the top of my head. So it's image src for source equals www.w3schools.png, which is a PNG file. PNG file. Alt equals w3schools.logo. So it would, if the page can't be displayed, it would show an alternative W3Schools logo instead of what it's trying to show you in the PNG or the JPEG or whatever it is format it's in. This decided to crash on is great. Oh, a tooltip paragraph about. No, that's the same one. There. I went back again. I don't know what happened. I'll start again. Hello and welcome to my latest video. I think I done this about 7 years ago. Right, so set the size of the image to 250 pixels wide and 400 high. Okay. I don't know why it keeps. Right, so href equals. Remember the equals. Remember, don't forget the equals. So it's less than a for href for hyperreference equals https www.3schools.com, and then you click on this is a link. This is a link, sorry. So to specify alternative, so ALT will be the alternative. It's crashed again. No. Use the correct HTML tag to add a heading with the text London. Use the correct HTML tag to add a heading. So basically it's an h1 tag. Add 6 headings to the document with the text hello. Add 6 headings to the document with the text hello. Start with the most important heading with the largest and end with the most important heading the smallest. Alright, so H1 is the most important. H2 is below that. Oh, no. Wasn't finished. Submit. Right, we'll start again and we'll press the right key. Press the right key this time. So H1, H2, H3, H4. Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if I need. I see. So a minute. Show answer. So H1, capital H. Right, so it's H1, H2. Right, so it's the way. So it's hello, H1, closing tag, and then you do it all the way down. So H2, hello, closing tag H2, H3, hello, closing tag H3, H4, hello, closing tag H4, opening tag H5, hello, closing tag H5, opening tag H6, hello, closing tag, we're closing it with a backslash, closing tag H6, and then we'll submit answer, and we're correct. Yabba dabba do. Exercise. Mark up the text with the appropriate tags. Universal Studio Presents is the most important heading. Jurassic Park is the next important heading. About is the third most important heading. The last sentence, a paragraph. Start with the most important heading, the largest, and end with the least important heading, the smallest. So, it'll be 8. Oh, wait a minute. Now we need to see the answer first. H1, H2, H3, and paragraph. Right, so H1 backslash H1 H2 backslash, don't forget the backslash H2 H3 backslash H3, and then we've got paragraph, end paragraph. Moving on to the next exercise. Use the correct HTML tag to add a paragraph with the text hello. So P for paragraph, hello, end tag P. No. Ooh. Oh, I don't think I forgot. Oh, wait a minute. See, this shows you should always read what you're trying to do. Cleaning up this document with proper end tags. h1 tag end and a backslash for the P, and that should be you. Keeps crashing, man. That's annoying. Add a horizontal line between the BR and the paragraph. So it's just BR. No. Okay, show the answer. HR. Oh, it's that's break line, isn't it? That's a horizontal line. So BR's for break line and HR's for horizontal line. That's where I went wrong there. It likes to crash a lot, I see. On to the next exercise. Add a break line in the middle of the paragraph. So it must be BR. Oh no, maybe no. It is. Right, that's fine. So I got that right. Without looking at the answer, that was good. Wrap this poem around the HTML tags that will preserve all spaces and line breaks when the element is displayed. What? Wrap this poem around HTML tags that will preserve all spaces and line breaks when it's displayed. Oh, I didn't know about that one. Pre. I need to find out what pre means. I've not even heard of that one. Preserve all spaces and line breaks. Never heard of pre. There you go, you learn something every day. Every day's a school day, as they say. Use the correct HTML attribute and CSS to set the colour of the paragraph. So, I think it's style equals. No, it can't be that actually. Oh, it is. Colour, as in colour. No way a U this time. Blue. So, use the CSS to set the font of the paragraph to Courier. So it's font family, mind. It's not just font. You need font family for the thing to work. Use CSS to center align the paragraph. Style equals align center. Oh no, it'll be text align. Aye. So it's text minus align. Text align. That's to remind myself. Use CSS to set the text to 50 pixels. Font size. Can I remember there? Font minus size. I'll set the text size. Use CSS to set the background colour of the document to yellow. Background colour, mind it's no U. Hey! Oh! Yay! Use CSS to center align the document. Body style equals align center. I think. So it's text align center. I mean that one, I didn't know that one. So HTML body style equals text align center. Add extra importance to the word degradation in the paragraph below. WWF messages to stop. Add importance is a strong tag. Aye. strong end tag. Emphasize the word metropolitan in the text below. So it's EM for emphasize and a closing EM for emphasize. Yeah. So highlight the word fun in the text below. Highlight, bold maybe? Mark, I've not heard that one either. Mark. A few tags I haven't heard here. I'm sure you're the same. But we'll learn as we go. Apply subscript formatting to the number 2 in the text below. Sub. Never heard of sub either. Oh, I have subscript and superscript. I have subscript and superscript. Hadn't heard the mark right enough. Add a line through, strike through the letters blue in the text below. Delete, alright. Delete. /del. So you strike through, alright. Use an HTML element to add a quotation marks around the letters cool. Q, alright, that's another one I didn't know. Q, oh, Q, /. The text below should be a quoted section. Add the proper HTML element to it and specify that it's quoted from the following URL. World Life block quote site. Alright. Block quote site. Not heard that one either. And a block quote closing tag with a /. So make the text below go right to left. That's not either. BDO directory equals inverted comma RTL, whatever that means. Right to left maybe? I don't know. And a closing BDO. I've never heard of BDO. Just shows you. You learn something every day. Ah. BDO. What have I missed? Ah. Just shows you. Make sure you put your greater than sign in. The letters who in the letters who in the text below is abbreviation of the World Health Organization. Use an HTML element to provide the specified abbreviation of who. ABB. A brief title equals a brief closing tag. Never heard that one either. They use the HTML comment tag to make a comment out of this comment text. Oh, aye, that's right, because that's so the computer won't see it, or doesn't it? Wait, actually. Add comment tags around the paragraph. Use CSS to set the background colour document body to yellow. Should have known that. Body, parentheses, and parentheses. So close. They usually come up together, but obviously because in this scenario it's no background minus colour. And it would change the colour to yellow. Well, it would normally. So use CSS to set the font, the document to Courier. So again, font family. Use the CSS to set the colour of the text document to red. So it's body, colour, parentheses, colour red, style to inside the style tags.